Now we're going to look at an equilibrium equation and see how changing the pressure is going to increase or decrease the other members that are in the equation. So the question that I'm looking at is this one down here at the bottom, starting in the row number 53, that says, how does increasing the pressure affect the other members that are in the equation? All right, so the equation that we're looking at is this equation, and to be able to do pressure, it is slightly different than some of the other equations that we've done before. Because in the other equations, we simply write directly over top of whatever factor we're increasing or decrease, and then we write an arrow toward or away depending on whether it was an increase or a decrease. However, with pressure, we've got to look at our number of moles. So you physically are only looking at the moles of gas, too. So this says carbon dioxide, and it's a gas. So he's going to be in my equation. And how many moles? 1. Okay. If you don't see a number there, it's a 1. This is a gas. So he is going to be included in my calculations of deciding what's going to happen with my pressure. And how many moles there? 1. So my total number of reactant moles is 2 moles of gas. On this side, my carbon monoxide is also a gas. I have 1. But my water, however, is a liquid, and pressure doesn't change determining the number of liquid moles you have. So I'm looking here, and I've got a 2 and a 1. And the way I look at pressure is I think of it as a high pressure situation or a low pressure situation personally. So if I'm put into a high pressure situation, I want to go away from everybody. I want to be alone. So if I increase the pressure, this reaction is going to go towards the lower number of moles. Okay? So the lower number is the 1. This reaction would shift to the right in favor of the products, which means I'm going to make more carbon monoxide and more water when I shift to the right. Because increasing the pressure, you go towards the lower number. That was 2 moles. That's 1 mole. 1 is less than 2. So I'm going to go to the lower number.